Hey garden friends, Smart Pot Edvin here. Do you have hanging baskets and face the dreaded stream of death? That stream of water that immediately starts when watering hanging baskets? Well, I have a solution for you. I start by removing my Springary fern from its hook and get all my materials ready to get it transplanted. Today, I'm using this beautiful metal basket from American Garden Works. Just like Smart Pots, it's 100% US made and paired with its natural colored Smart Pot, looks amazing. I start by adding a layer of soil for the fern to sit in. Next, I remove the plant from the plastic pot and wow, check out those circled and choked roots. Luckily, the Smart Pot will help by getting this fern up to health. I'm using the plant itself to make sure I'm using the correct amount of soil to start out with. Don't want to use too much or too little. A quick clean of my planting station, I'm ready to rehang this basket. Normally, I would pre-saturate the soil, but I wanted to show you what it looks like when watering a Smart Pot NoCoco Liner. Check out how the sides become saturated before the water even starts to run out the bottom. Because of their aerated design, moisture in Smart Pots moves through capillary action, ensuring soil stays moist and not dry out too quickly. Time to move on to the next one. Happy gardening!